here and here. So how I achieve this amount, how I increase CPC, watch this video till the end, because this is a master class of CPC. So look, the first thing you have to understand that this website is looking like this. Okay, so what is the change between this AdSense and that AdSense? I will show you the payment. Now here you can see the payment I have already received, and payment received on a Nigerian bank account. You can see the Nigerian bank account. This is the AdSense account by Nigerian. If you see the last month payments, the April month, it's only $11. In May, you can see $331. Okay, so this is a May month payment, and this month payment is $425. So this money is already received in a bank account. Okay, so always remember, no matter your AdSense from Nigeria, from any other country, from Pakistan, India, or any other country, if you follow the step that I'm going to share with you, you will increase your earning up to 10%. Okay, so how the website earning model work? Look, there are a website. Okay, this is your website. Okay, so your website earn money through AdSense. Okay, so how AdSense will pay you? AdSense will pay you for two ways. First is RPM. The first one is CPC. Second is RPM. If your CPC is a $5, okay, and you get 2 clicks, okay, so you get 2 clicks, you will get $10. Okay, because your CPC is $5, so if you get 2 clicks, you get $10. If your CPC is a $5 and you get 3 clicks, it will be $15. Okay, like this. If you have $5 CPC and you get 4 clicks, you will earn $20. Okay, and most of the AdSense in third world countries have only 0.1 CPC or 10 CPC. Okay, the 10 or 1. Okay, so how AdSense pay you? When the visitor come on your site, they click on ad, you get money. And the second way of earning is RPM. Let's say your RPM is $100. Okay, and when 1,000 people visit your site, you will get $100. Okay, this is a 2 ways to earning. Okay, RPM means if 1,000 people visit on your website and you get 1,000 impression, whatever your RPM is, $10, $20, $100, $1,000, you will get this amount.